Are you struggling to understand what are the best tabletops for your cafe and unsure about the materials that are available and exactly what they can be used for? In this video today, I'm going to explain to you 5 of our top selling tabletops we have here at Cafeideas, what the materials are and how they're best used. My name is Cara and I'm from Cafeideas. I've been importing commercial furniture for over 23 years and I'm going to take you on a tour of our Melbourne showroom today and show you our fantastic range of commercial tabletops. So the reason why I'm making this video today is because we just had some lovely clients in our showroom in Melbourne and they said to me that we had the best range of tabletops and commercial furniture that they had seen in person. They came in because they wanted to understand the different types of tops we had. Could they use them inside or outside? And they wanted to see the quality, the materials, the finishes up close and personal. So that is why I'm going to take you through now the 5 different main materials we use for our commercial tabletops, and hopefully you will have a better understanding when you're looking to select a tabletop for your own business. The first tabletop collection that I want to show you today is our range of HPL laminate. Now, these tabletops are excellent if you are a busy venue with high turnover, or if you're looking for something that's low maintenance and easy to clean. The HPL range laminate tops can be used inside and outside. We do them in a range of gorgeous colours, and what makes our tops unique is that on the back of the tabletops, we add marine ply so that you can fix this top to any table base. The other thing with our HPL tabletops that some people don't know is that HPL stands for high pressure laminate. So when these tops are being made, the reason why they are so thin compared to other laminate tops on the market is because the pressure in the tops completely compacts and squeezes any air out. This then doesn't allow moisture to get inside, which allows you to use these in an outdoor environment. The second range of tabletops that I want to show you today is our range of Smart Tops. Now, Smart Top is a resin molded tabletop that's produced in Malaysia. We import these exclusively at Cafeideas and we do them in a range of stone, timber and marble finishes. Smart Top is excellent for indoor and outdoor use. These are not porous tops. They are heat resistant, they are moisture and scratch resistant. And what makes them even more unique is that we add an extra layer beneath the top made from a steel ring that's going to keep these tops from bowing in the Australian climate. If you haven't heard about Sintered stone, let me explain to you why these are our best-selling tabletops. We do a range of sintered stone in different colours and different thicknesses that you can use indoor and outdoor. Sintered stone resembles a ceramic-like finish, so these are very durable and they are not porous. What makes our tops unique is that we do a brushed metal edge that's made from aluminium that can be used outside. We also offer them in finishes with no edge. The Prada Green is one of our new collection and it's a beautiful gloss marble finish that's proven to be one of our best sellers to date. You may have heard in the media over the past few years issues with silica, which is used when they make sintered stone. The issues around sintered stone and silica are because when these are brought into Australia in large slabs and they are then cut, it is the dust that derives from the cutting process that posed a health risk to workers in Australia. All of our tabletops are imported in their completed finished state. So when you purchase a sintered stone tabletop from us, there is absolutely no risk to you or your customer's health. If you're after a high finish tabletop, then our range of Terrazzo is exactly for you. We offer 3 gorgeous colours in our Terrazzo range. We offer the white candy, the Venetian grey, and the beautiful forest mist. Something that's really important to know when you're purchasing a Terrazzo tabletop, these are all polished stone. So you need to think about maintenance and whether or not you want these to be sealed, because if you're going to use this in a high traffic environment, we strongly recommend you seal these with a clear coat prior to use. We also offer this collection of Terrazzo with a thinner profile with no edge, or as you can see here on the Venetian grey, a thicker edge to give it that real premium look. These are a heavy tabletop, so they aren't designed to be moved inside and out. Ideally, these would be used in an indoor setting only. If you're after a warmer neutral aesthetic, then our range of timber tabletops is perfect for any indoor venue. We have a really great range of rubberwood and ashwood tabletops in various sizes that go as small as a 50 centimetre round or as large as a 2.4 metre communal table. Our range of timber tabletops we keep in stock, but I highly recommend you visit one of our showrooms in Sydney or Melbourne to come in and look at the exact finish of them before you purchase, because we offer a range of smooth and textured in the various timbers available online. Something you need to consider when choosing your tabletop is to make sure you buy the right top for indoor or outdoor use. In front of me, I have two versions of the sintered stone. This version is completely safe to use outside because it's fully sealed with an aluminium edge. This version of the sintered stone top is encased in a beautiful wood edge detailing. This top could only be used indoor because if that wood edge gets wet, it's going to expand and it's not going to be durable in an outdoor environment. That is why it's so important when you're choosing your tabletop, you really think about what application and whether you need something that's moisture resistant or not. A question we get asked all the time is, how do I choose the correct table base and tabletop? What I want to talk to you today about is compatibility between bases and tops and how you can apply a really simple rule that we use. It's called the 60-40 rule. What that means is that the tabletop should not be any bigger than 60% of the base size. So as you can see here, we have a 90 by 90 smart top on a smaller Cavallo 450 base. This table is disproportionate. The top is far too big for the base, hence this will not be stable if used in any dining space. What we recommend is that this top should be used on the Cavallo 550. Therefore, if I take this top now and show you on the 550 base, you've now got a much more stable table that's proportionate in size and safer for you to use. I hope you liked my video today, guys, and I hope you've really learnt about the 5 main materials we offer here at Cafeideas in our tabletop collection. And I strongly suggest you come in and visit us in Chippendale or in West Melbourne, as we have one of the largest ranges of tabletops in Australia. And as our client said today, we have the best range. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.